All right. Okay, current price 34, 109, 108 on the futures. And we can see from this, if we have a look at this chart over here, we can see, first of all, we'll bring up the 5-minute chart. So you can see again the TAS boxes, we're breaking out there, ripping up higher. That's after that consolidation over here. And then we've got the 1 hour chart as well. And we can see we're coming up to that resistance area over here. 34,137. Likely, we hopefully will see that play out. And if we see that play out, then we can potentially take our short position that we're looking for. Right, I'll just close up. My daughter's in the mood because she hasn't done the vacuuming, so she's lost her iPad. Joys of taking away technology. I'm sure we can all relate to that. So let's see where we're going over here. Where's my, let's just refresh that. So if I'm looking at if I'm looking away from these charts, I'm just looking at, I have multiple screens here and I'm kind of looking to see what's going on there. Okay, so I'm going to take a trade, and this is basically just a divergence trade. So I'm going to sell one contract. This is just really testing the waters on this rally, just to see if the market is it looks like it's running out of steam here. We've got divergence there, but we'll see shortly how we go. And for full transparency, so I've taken that same trade on the on our MetaTrader top 2000 account. Let's see what's going on with my MetaTrader. Don't know what it is. I use at some point I've got to change all my indicators to another broker on the MetaTrader. This is the MetaTrader 4 that I run at the top. That's just for my support and resistance lines, because last 3 sessions just constantly crashes. It's unreal how Probably going to be something down here. Stock's going to be. I'm just having a look to see what the flavour is at the moment. But stock's going to be somewhere probably about 29. Let me just get my other charts to load. Currently up 7 points. I'm streaming, yeah. There we go. We're currently up 10 points. Not quite ready to put a stop and break even, but 24 points is a lot to give up. Okay, stop to break even. Might give us a bit more breathing room here. Got a minute to go. I can see my background is currently green. If that remains green in a minute's time, I am out of the trade. Yeah, I'm closing that trade off. See if we can get us cover some of it. Small loss at the moment. I'm currently out for a break even. All right. I didn't like the fact that this is green here. Um, and fortunately, you pull back and break even. And pretty much that's what we got in and out for on the MetaTrader as well. So you can see here, there's our entry at 34,096 and out at 34,095. You can see that we managed to get out for a break even. We managed to come with commissions on that trade almost. But you can see now, you've got to make that decision. I was happy to take a small loss on that. But it certainly wasn't the trade that I wanted to be in. We got it to about plus. My log. We entered at 34,011. And you can see there's that trade there. 34,011, buy at 34,101, sorry. But we got down to about plus 30 points on that trade, but I wanted more out of it. I really wanted that to the break-even number, because yesterday we did 5 trades, we had 4 profitable trades, we had 1 loss and a small loss, but market moved so much and we ended up just giving the broker so much in commissions. I mean, I saw my statement in the morning, my partner, couldn't believe how much we're just paying the broker, as opposed to making money out of the trade. So I was a bit disappointed with that. But we'll get another one. See how this AT trigger keeps us out of the trade. So you got the short over there. I mean, the short is really there to break the TAS box. We retrace into that high value area and then we pull down. This last signal, potential signal, I mean, the pound was hammered. Look at it, built up now. There you go. So we've broken the box. Here comes our tester again. So short on the down. I get some runs on the board on this. So stop's going to be about 25. Or 28. We are starting to hit the bit a little bit more now. In threes. Not a lot of ones coming through. Got to get through that even number. 34, 100. Get to 198. Forty minutes into the session. First trade break even. Second trade coming up 5 points. And close our stop in a bit. I'll put my stop down to 34,118. Before you go. So we are trading within the TAS box. I'm just going to go outside of that TAS box. We're going to retest the high value area. We are trading within the TAS box. Again, we get all our signals dropping out, so very much sideways, just within this little box here. So maybe we'll just set I'll stop around that box, which we are covered, because it's either going to consolidate and break out, or it's going to fail. But right now, I mean, it seems to be a strong move to the upside. We're just fading on the shorts. But I do want to give it a little bit of room. I just want to see what the ES is doing, Maui. You can see the ES is pretty much doing the same thing. Printing a little bit cleaner today, although we do find that the ES does print a bit cleaner, especially the 3-minute chart. I find for the ES a little bit better than the 2-minute chart. See, there's the gap up, consolidate, rallied higher. Always wonder if you got government intervention, I mean, obviously we have a strong move in the London session, but after the sell-off last night, I mean, what's moving the markets really? So we got stopped out on the Dow trade. I'm back in short again because I think we just got squeezed out on that last little rally. So I'm in at 34,121. I'm still just chasing around just to see what else I want to see what the Nasdaq's doing as well. Nasdaq had a much better rally, but I mean, look at this mess over here. And this is the thing, if you actually have a look at this triangle formation over here, and how brilliant is that? And then we've had a break to the downside. So that does support our trade somewhat. But we certainly didn't follow on the Dow futures. We're still pulling down. I mean, look at our Dow trade up 14. Data for the FTSE. Just marking some of my actual support and resistance lines in the various trades. You actually see on that Dow trade, okay, right off the bat, it's support. Straight onto the trend line. You can just get that up on the chart in a minute. You can see here. And also an ascending channel from up here. That's one option. Let's break even. I think the price of gold at the moment is we got gone to the crude. Oh. You know, we can sell from crude. This where's it going to go? I think I want to extend my target of it. Only up 38 points. So currently my stops at break even on this trade. Currently up 48 points. It means, oh shit. I'm going to extend my target. And see where we can go. I'll get back onto my 2-minute chart. Currently up 52 points. So if you look at 52 points on 45, that's a $220 on an E-mini or $22 on a micro. I'm going to take 40 points out of that. So I've closed that trade for plus 40. Do you want to get something else for the session? So we've been going for about an hour. So I've got full disclosure. I've got a runner sitting on on my account. I'm just going to leave that. It stops the breaking on and let it just run. My target on that's going to be probably another 150 points. But for this session, we've got plus 40 on that trade. You still get something on the NASDAQ. It's probably cleaned up. No, let's take it off. Yes, would have done the same. I'm still streaming, sweetie. I'm done in another 2 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes. So I was trying to pull that. Look, I think I'm going to call it a day. We've made some profits. We'll report that on our website tomorrow. Oh. Right, so I'm just leaving that runner on, as I said. Just come out for some news. I'll just end off with a bit of news. Bit of a funny day today. A bit of a late start. Unfortunately, I didn't catch that move, that long position. It's kind of annoyed me because that was really the trade. Anyway, we managed to come up with a profit today. That's the main thing. Have some news coming out in 2 minutes. That's the Euro current account. It's I suppose everything moves market at the moment, but if we have a look at it, we've got it should come out. It's interesting to watch the order flow on things like this, where you have a look at, and so if I'm going to try and get on the one screen, but ultimately, when you watch order flow, we're definitely hitting the ask at the moment. So I'm just watching us hit the order flow. Probably going to miss expectations. So expectations are 24.3, and there we go, 11.7. I hope hopefully this will continue. This will continue down. Right, guys, that's pretty much it. If you want some more information, go to tradeonpoint.com. One of the things that we are, and I do apologize if the session was a bit messy today, it was a bit slow. We managed that first break even, took a small loss, ended up with a plus 40, which was a nice little winner. And we ended up overall being in a profit today. We can see not much else has actually moved. Currencies haven't really done much today. Looking at the pound and dollar, we're going to be focusing more on currencies because we've got a lot of traders that actually email us and want to know why we're not trading Forex. So we will add it to the mix. It's just cleaner to trade the indices on the European Open because you get some really good solid moves and you can make some quick, I'm not going to use the term easy, but you can make some good money. But what I will do is I will look at trading Forex as well. We actually have signed up with a new broker that offers Ninja Trader, and we're going to be trading more on the CFDs. I'm a futures trader, but to get it into the mix, we have a lot of traders that do trade with CFDs. So we'll try and mix it up quick. All right, guys, until next time, thank you very much. Have a good night, good morning, or good afternoon, depending where you're from. And we will see you again tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, stay safe, trade well, manage your risk well, and we'll see you next time.